Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your eBay balance. Now, when you sell an item on eBay, the money doesn't go through exactly directly to your bank accounts. First, it stays for a while as a balance on eBay, and then after the product arrives to the customer checked the product and reviewed it and said that everything is fine, didn't ask for refund. At that time, you will be able to get and withdraw that money in balance to your bank account. But first, it will stay in balance. So how can we check that balance and view it? First of all, you simply have to open your eBay account, log in and do everything. Go here to eBay, or my eBay I mean, and in your case you simply have to click on selling. In selling, here of course you can see every sold items by clicking on sold, but we need to view the balance. We need to see the calculated balance. So to do so, simply click on overview. And as you can see, this is where you will find your balance. Now I have zero active, zero orders, zero installs, so of course the balance will be $0. Just as a note, the balance will be only for the 90-day total. So in case you didn't withdraw money for the last 90 days, you might not see it in here. I don't know if it will be removed of your account, but come on guys, the moment you get paid, just withdraw your money. Don't leave it here to stack up and you forget about it. It's not like you're holding crypto or something like that. Make sure to leave your money to take your money out from here and withdraw it to your account and invest it maybe or rebuy this product and resell it. Thank you guys a lot and see you guys in the next video.